Guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to hack this. As you can see, I got 900,088 and my coin is 500,098. So that will change. And if you are new, please make them new. sorry. If you are new here, okay, just subscribe to my channel. And let's go to the file manager, main storage, Android data, and let's find Subway Surfers and files and profile, and we got in a wallet JSON, and find your key or your coin. Okay, I'm gonna do this into 99999. I'm gonna do this into 9. Okay, and you're gonna save it. And so if you don't have file manager, this is it. File manager, you can download that. Kimchi. Sorry for the background, that's my dog. Okay, as you can see right now, my coin changed into 999, and I'm gonna change my key. Okay, wait, sorry. Okay, I think the main storage is not full. Just do this same step. Oh, that's not it. Files. What is it? Profile. Sorry. And I will change my keys. Okay. Sorry. That's stupid. Okay, now look at my keys and my coins. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. I hope you like this video. Sorry for the background.